Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be doing something new in this video. I have not saw this on YouTube yet. We are going to be doing nails to match your mask. Good idea? Let me know in the comment section. So we're going to use the Acrylic Gel X Stiletto Long. These are 100% gel tips by Acrylic. You can get them on the Acrylic website. And this is what they look like. So I'm going to go ahead and prep those nails with the Acrylic primer. You're going to also prep your own nails, which I do not do in this video, but I do have a video showing how I do that. So you can prep the inside of these gel tips with a primer like you see me do here, or you can use your e-file to etch the inside. I have used my Peel Off base coat as always, just to make it quick and easy for me. I'm also going in with MVP Nail Designs Rose Quartz. It's a beautiful light pink with glitter. I'm also using my Acrylic Extend Gel and Top Coat just to go with everything Acrylic in the video. And then of course my little light and stand. So here we go, applying the tips. And as you see me do, I apply the gel and move it from side to side just a little. Now you're just going to put enough gel in there to where it goes from your cuticle to your free edge, and then give it a flash cure. And then when you're finished applying the nails, you're going to do a full cure. So if you guys are new, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. If you are not new, welcome back to my channel. I love you guys. Glad you're here again. So I'm just going to continue to apply these nails. Now, if you guys want to watch my prep video, I will link it in the cards. It is very important to prep your nails if you want these to stay on. It is very, very important. And there are steps to take when you're doing your prep that need to be taken to adhere that the nails are not going to lift and they're not going to pop off. Alright, so we're on our last nail now, and then I will go in and I will buff the surface shine off of all those nails. Now you can use a buffer, you can use your e-file, whatever you know works for you. I just buffed it with a buffing block. Now these nails are more on the shorter side, for me anyway. They do call them long stilettos, but to me they're really not that long. Guys, something very exciting. I have ordered the XXXL stilettos from Acrylic, and I will be doing a review on those, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so I'm dusting off any of the dust, and I'm going to go in with my Couture 150 grit file and just shape up my sidewalls. Okay, and I noticed my middle finger was crooked. Now, it wasn't how I applied the nail, but the nail itself was actually crooked, and I didn't realize that until the video was over. Alright, so I'm going in with my manicure brush by Max Estrada, and I'm just cleaning off everything. This one I'm using my Burano 3-in-1. I love this stuff. It's a base coat, it's a slip solution, and it's a glue. And it worked really good for using the MVP Nail Designs Acrylic as a dip powder. So you're going to put one layer of that on the nail from cuticle to free edge. And then you're going to put on the acrylic as a dip powder. And I just sprinkle it over the top. I let the acrylic sit on there for just a second so it can soak in, and then I will reapply a little bit more because it's soaking into that gel. Now the reason I like to use the Burano 3-in-1 or the Burano foil glue is because it doesn't move around as much as a gel base does. You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't move around. It's a lot thicker, it's a lot stickier, and it works best for me. So I only needed one coat of this acrylic. So I only do this one time. I will have to say though, you guys, if you've never tried MVP Nail Designs acrylics, you got to. They're absolutely amazing. They are one coat coverage. I just can't say enough good things about them. Definitely go check her website out. It's always linked in my description box with a 15% off code. All right, and as you see how this nail's crooked, you can actually see it right here. You can see how the actual nail tip is crooked. It's not crooked on my finger, it's crooked, period. And it just looks so funny after I got the product on. You can see how like one side is, it's got more of a curve, I guess. And it happens. It does happen. I've gotten a few others like this when I applied them. They were crooked. Not that I had applied them crooked, but you know what I'm saying. Anyway, in between I am flash curing. That way it doesn't move around while I finish up the other nails. I also want to say I did see there was a post on a blog or something on Google that showed a girl who had done match your nails to your mask. So that is why that is where the idea came from, and I believe it was posted on Instagram. And I'm gonna tell you guys the name of that girl real quick. Gina Edwards. GINAEDWARDS_. That is who I saw do this mask to nails design. So give credit where it's due. Alright, so I went ahead and did a 30-second cure. Now I'm going to take my manicure brush again and brush off any of the excess dust. And when I did this, I realized they're not as pink as my mask was. So I did something I've never done before, and I'll show you guys in just a minute. I take my alcohol ink. These are some little microfiber tips that I got from Amazon. I'm taking my pink sherbet, very, very light alcohol ink. I'm putting it on that little tip with some alcohol, and then I'm coloring the actual nail with that little applicator. The alcohol ink just made them more pink. Like I needed them to be pinker than they were. So the alcohol ink is giving the nail color. See the difference when I showed that right there? And if any of you guys want to see me do alcohol ink nails, I've got plenty of those, or I can do some new ones, which I really am excited to do some new alcohol ink videos because I haven't played with it for so long. And I actually use real alcohol ink, not the inks that you get from the companies. I think they call it like blooming gel or something. So I'm going in with my Makartt rhinestone glue. There's my code for Makartt. And I'm going to bling out this entire nail with AB rhinestones that I also got from the Makartt website. So the entire nail is going to be nothing but AB rhinestones. So what I do is I do about half of the nail, and then I'll flash cure that, and then I'll add more gel and do the other half of the nail. And it seemed to make it easier instead of doing it the whole nail at one time. And then here I go adding more Makartt rhinestone glue to finish up the tip. Now, the reason I did not top coat these yet is because you have to wait for that alcohol ink to completely dry before applying any kind of top coat. So that is why I did not top coat these nails just yet. I'm letting that ink dry. And then when you go into top coat, you're going to float it. You're going to float it over those nails. All right, you see how that turned out? Now I'm going to do a full cure. And then we're going to go in with my Après top coat, and I'm going to float that over. And this is just kind of encapsulating it all so that if you wash dishes or get your hands wet, the alcohol ink will not disappear from your nails. It'll still be there. So then I do a full cure, go in by Loved by Birdie's cuticle oil, and that is it. So here again is everything that I used. The Makartt Rhinestones. You can, they actually just came out with those not too long ago. I did a video. MVP Nail Designs acrylics, the Après stilettos, the Après primer, extend gel, top coat, the Burano 3-in-1, the alcohol ink. I will leave links for everything down below. And there's my set of nails, you guys. Let me know if you guys have saw anybody on YouTube do this. Like I said, I looked. I couldn't find anyone because I was going to give credit where credit was due. But of course, my credit would go to the girl on Instagram. So definitely go check her out. I'll link her Instagram down below. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. If you want to see other videos like this, let me know down in the comment section. And let me know what you think of them. Give me a big thumbs up if you guys wouldn't mind. Thank you all for coming. Subscribe, click the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless. Bye, guys.